Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by protecting your data. Run a full backup to an external drive or cloud and verify the files open. Once done, document your Windows version and license so activation is simple later. Next, create a bootable Windows USB, 8 GB or larger, and confirm you can enter BIOS or UEFI. This lets you boot repair media. Make sure System Restore and File History are enabled if available. Then reboot to the recovery USB to start the repair. You now run targeted tools to fix the system without wiping data. Boot into recovery and try startup repair first to resolve boot records and BCD problems. If Windows starts, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system files. If Windows won't boot, use the recovery command prompt to copy critical user folders to an external drive. Make sure to keep track of where you place exported files for restoration. You finish by choosing the least destructive final step. An in-place repair install using the Windows installer refreshes system files while preserving apps and user data. After the install, activate Windows with your documented key and restore files from your verified backup. Make sure to update drivers and run Windows Update to seal fixes. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: boot safe mode to narrow the cause. Then try driver rollback or restore to a known good restore.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.